using the Mcculloch MC1385. A quick disclaimer, I don't want you to be under the impression that the MC1385 could replace those commercial steam cleaners that cost thousands of dollars but are made for car washing. I've been asked by subscribers to see whether or not this job is even possible, so I took the steamer out to the car and did some testing and recorded what I came up with. Look how fast I was able to get rid of those annoying pollen spots that you find on a car and are really tough to get off. Generally, you have to scrub them off by hand. I was able to steam them away pretty quickly. And here's what not to do when trying to steam wash your car. I think this method works if you have a really powerful commercial steam cleaner, but as great as it is, the MC1385 is not a commercial steam cleaner. But rest assured, it is capable of some heavy-duty cleaning. If you'd like to see my review of the MC1385, click the link in the description to see all the amazing things it can do. Eventually, what I found to work best was to attach a very soft terry cloth to the large rectangle brush attachment and glide over the surface of the car. A microfiber towel would work just as well, if not better, as it is slightly tougher on stuck-on dirt. I applied very light pressure as to be sure I did not scratch the paint. If you have an MC1385 with the large rectangle brush attachment, you could very well do the same thing. But you would definitely have to keep in mind that slow and steady wins the race when it comes to steam washing a car. Even with a steam cleaner that costs thousands of dollars, you could still very well scratch or mar the paint by gliding over it too hard with a towel. For this reason, I think steam really is best left to be used for detailing your car rather than washing it. It is great for cleaning up sticky cup holders, cleaning your windows, or even lifting carpet stains out of your floor mats. But although it is very possible, it would take a lot of time and patience to steam wash your car with this product. Although this wasn't necessarily a how-to video, I think it's important to see what is possible and is realistic with the MC1385. Is it possible to do this? Yes. Realistic? Maybe not. But totally up to you to make that final decision. A cool thing I can say about steam washing your car is that if you do it with distilled water, you'll have significantly reduced water spots as the minerals have been processed out and therefore will leave much less water spotting. Water spots are any auto detailer's worst nightmare, so the less the better.